Hey again, I want to talk in this video about this and super. So we understand before what this mean. This mean this class. So if I'm in this class, okay, that's mean this class, and I write here word this mean this class. So if I define here variable, name it whatever t, integer, and this one have null value, and I want to access to it, I would say, hey, for example, I text it from here before return value, I say this dot t. Okay, I'm accessing to it, giving any value. Also, if I want to call this function from this class, I say, hey, this dot sub, because I'm calling this function in this class. What if I want to call function from super class that I inherited? Just write the word super dot name of the function. If you see, hey, you're calling super. So if I set super.div, he will go to the 2 and 10. He go to the super class, mean the class I inherited from, and he call div. If I want to call the sum in that class, I just sum whatever number 1, number 2. So you see. Now what is going on here? Here I have a function, and this function, name it sum. Inside this function, I'm calling the sum that available in the parent, which is totally fine. You could do it. And also you could do a lot. If you remember when we did a constructor before, we said you have a constructor and this. And I suppose this class doesn't take anything. So now this is my constructor, not this one. This is my start constructor. But here, this one is not constructor. So how this constructor will run? So you'll have a problem. So you have to remove this thing. So you have to call that constructor from here. So you say, hey, call my super constructor. So that means, see, here, yes, the problem now is fixed. Now you're saying, hey, I have constructor, and you want to create an instance from this class, call this constructor. When you're calling this constructor, also call the super constructor. If the super constructor taking any parameter, like name as string, you could do pass something here for the name, like Hussein, whatever. So make sure from this thing when you working with constructor and inheritance and all this stuff. So here we done. Thank you for watching. See you next.